Well, we just bought this compressor, which is a 20-gallon, 2 horsepower from Canadian Tire. Obviously, it's a Canadian thing. It was on sale. Well, it was $214 plus they gave you a $50 store bonus. Well, we'll open it up and let's see what's inside. So here we opened it up. It looks pretty, well, it looks all assembled. The wheels are on. I expected to put the wheels on, and it's been actually pretty well packaged. Let's see what how this is when you remove this here. Okay, very cool. I'm doing this with one hand and unpacking with the other. What I'll do is something underneath. No. There's the valve. Okay, what else comes with it? Nothing else. Looks like it comes. It's all there, all assembled. This is all assembled. Okay, so let's stop the video here and I'll put it up. And this is quite heavy actually. So here you go. It's up and it takes me 2 seconds. It has 2 gauges, as you can see here. Nice handle to roll it with. Thank God for the wheels because this is heavy. So you have 2 gauges, and right here there's a warning label, a quick release, and then this here has a quick release. The motor looks like a 2 horsepower motor. Looks totally enclosed. And well, let's see. Those are here with the this. Maybe I should open the garage door to get some more light in here. Huh? Okay. Roll it. And this is it. The only thing that comes with it is here you are, the manual, as well as the another package here. And what's in here? This looks like a filter of some sort. Okay. And I guess I'll have to read and see what this is. That's the only thing that comes with a quick start guide. Okay. Take a look at that. Otherwise, it's self-standing. Wheels are on. Everything's ready to go. With the wheels, it's amazing. You can just pull it, drag it anywhere you want, and you're done. Then you remove the box, since I opened it up this way, and we're good. Oh, since this didn't come with a hose or just a quick release, no hose, no equipment, I had to actually buy this. So this, thank God, was on sale for $119, and then I got a 50-foot hose, which I also got from Canadian Tire as well. Actually it was on sale from $50 to $19. $19 for the 50 foot. And let me show you actually what it has here. So again, it's 3/8, 50 feet, good for 300 PSI. This is the set that I bought. It's supposed to be 71 pieces, as you can see here, and that was on sale. I think that's a good buy. Not sure. Altogether, it cost me close to $300 here. So, anyways, so with this set, this hose, I just hope there's some quick releases in there, because obviously this thing here doesn't have a quick release. So what we'll do is we're going to open this. The hose is a hose, I mean, just unwrap, and then we'll see what happens. Thanks. Yeah, what a nice case, actually. I'm glad it comes in a case so I don't have to have all my stuff all over the place. So let's open this up and see what this guy has inside. Stuck. There must be some security lock on this thing. This is okay. This opens. Alright. Actually, this has more than I thought it had. I thought it only had like these tools. But this thing here has a lot of stuff. Let's see, it has those quick connects that we need to. The male and the female. We have all these boring and sanding tools. We have the gun. Or even an oil thing for it. Excellent. I think I'm going to like this tool set. Anyhow, okay, so let's see if we can get this hose on there, and that project of mine goes smoothly. Actually, I'm trying to do it before my wife gets here and parks in the garage. Okay. Alright, I managed to get the quick release done here, and actually on the other side as well. So as you can see here, it's all done. Make sure it's good. So the next step is to see what we're gonna see if this thing here is noisy or not. Let's plug that in. Of course, my garage is closed. So we'll see if this works and how noisy. Okay, plugged in. So we have it plugged in the wall over here. Let's see. If it's it is quite noisy. Of course, I've never had one of these, so all I had was this little one before, which is basically nothing. I can't even fill up my tires. My tires need 50 or actually 48 pounds of pressure, and by the time I get one tire done, I have to refill it 1,000 times. That's why I decided to buy this one, and hopefully I'll be using it for all sorts of stuff. We'll see. Alright. We'll see if we can do another video later on some other stuff. Thanks. Ciao. You know what I realized, folks? I forgot something. I forgot to add in the muffler. I think this is a muffler. Maybe that's why it was so loud. So what we'll do is we'll try to install this thing and see how it goes. Maybe with that it's not as loud. I hope not, because it seems to be pretty loud. It doesn't even even fit in there. I have to open up the casing. It doesn't fit. Doesn't fit from underneath either. Okay. Gotta do that by hand. Okay. So we did it by hand. We'll see how that goes. Let's try the sound again. Switch it on. Oh yeah. Oh, a lot better. Oh my god. Okay. That's a lot better. That little piece right here, it makes a world of difference when it comes to sound. I didn't know that was okay, well, that's it. Okay, we're good. It's not that bad then. Actually, the noise level's decent on this. For that size, it's pretty decent. Again, guys, this is a motor, oil-free, 2 horsepower, and actually with the wheels, it's great. You can move it all over the place. I don't know if you could see this, but it has all sorts of stuff here that it lets you do and doesn't let you do. It looks, well, for me, I'm not a mechanic or anything, so I really don't need it that much, but it looks good. Well, wish me luck.